In this tutorial, you will learn how to set your Bebop2 for its first flight. First, install the propellers by placing them on the motors. The polarized propellers should help you. Lock the propellers using the supplied mounting tool. Download the Free Flight 3 app for free on your tablet or smartphone. Insert the battery by sliding it forward into the latch located on the back of the battery makes a clicking sound. Press on the on-off button of the Bebop. On your tablet or smartphone, go to Settings and activate Wi-Fi. Then choose the Wi-Fi network of your Bebop2. Launch the Free Flight 3 app in order to connect your drone. Make sure that your Bebop2 is updated. If it's not, follow the instructions given by the application. At the end of the update, you will be asked to restart your drone. The rebooting should take about 2 minutes. You'll have to calibrate your drone's magnometer before its first flight. To do so, reproduce the movements shown by the app. You are now ready to take off. Bebop has 3 piloting modes: Joypad, Normal, Ace. In this video, we will focus on the Normal mode. Press on Take Off to take off automatically. The drone will rise and hover at about 1 meter, waiting for your instructions. As you can see, its sensors give it a great stability. Press on Landing to land the drone. This landing is also automatic. In Normal mode, to make the drone go forward or backward, press on the right joystick with your right thumb. Then, tilt your tablet or smartphone forward or backward. Note that this is inverted when the drone is facing you. To move sideways, tilt your tablet or smartphone to the right or to the left. To make your Bebop2 rise, push the left joystick upward. To make it go back down, push the left joystick downward. To make it pivot, move your left thumb to the right or to the left. In the settings, you can change the drone's rotation speed in order to make the drone pivot on itself faster or slower. You can do the same thing to adjust the drone's vertical speed to make it rise faster at up to 6 meters a second. Or slower, like here, at 1.5 meters a second. This will also affect the descending speed in the same way. You can set a maximum altitude limit for the drone, and the Bebop2 will not rise above this limit. Adjusting the maximum inclination allows you to adjust the maximum speed and sensitivity of the drone. With a higher maximum angle, the drone will be faster and very sensitive. With a minor maximum angle, the drone will be slower and easier to pilot. When flying outside, make sure that the GPS icon is green before taking off in order to be able to use the Return to Home function. Activate this function by pressing the icon to bring your Bebop2 back automatically where it took off. In this video, you'll learn how to use your Bebop2 as a flying camera. By default, the Bebop2 is in video mode. In this mode, the drone starts recording as soon as it takes off. Press on the Rec button to stop recording. The Bebop2 records in 1080p at 30 frames per second. By moving your drone in space, you can create smooth traveling. Forward, backward, sideways. You can also make elevations. The yaw of the drone also allows you to shoot panoramic rotations. To control the camera's orientation, swipe your finger on the piloting interface in the opposite direction of the desired orientation. Double tap the piloting interface with 2 fingers to center the camera. In Ace mode, you can control the camera by using your right thumb on the joystick. This innovative camera orientation system allows you to record vertically. Once you're familiar with the different drone and camera movements, you can start combining them in order to create more complex traveling. The Bebop2 can also take high-resolution photos. Activate the photo mode in the recording settings and choose D&G. Then go back to the piloting interface and just press on the photo icon. The photos captured in this mode are in fisheye format. You can edit them using editing software in order to get pro-level shots. In order to fine-tune the color balance, go to Image Settings in the parameters. To increase or reduce the exposure, slide the cursor located on the left vertical bar. To change the saturation, slide the cursor located on the right vertical bar. At the end of the recording, you will find your videos and photos in the internal memory of your Bebop2. Select the videos and photos you wish to download, and click on Transfer. You can also retrieve or erase your videos and photos by connecting your Bebop2 to your computer using the micro USB cable provided. In order to do so, the battery of the Bebop must be inserted and the drone turned on.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've got a big surprise for you. Yes, you! Welcome to the Top 10 Countdown.
In 3, 2, 1.
Play ball!